Now let's start reviewing adding and subtracting fractions. And to add and subtract fractions, let's start with question number 1. We need a common denominator. And in this case, we want to just take the LCM of 2 and 5, the least common multiple. And the least common multiple of 2 and 5 is just 10. That is the LCM. And what do we do with that? Well, we want a common denominator between the two. So I'm just going to take the half, and since I want a 10 on the bottom, on the denominator, I'm going to multiply half by 5 over 5. That way I'm going to get 5 over 10, which is, by the way, just equivalent to half, right? And we just need to multiply the top and the bottom so we don't change the fraction. And over here we have 1 over 5. I also want 10 on the denominator, so I'm going to multiply 1 over 5 by 2 over 2. That way 5 times 2, 10. And 1 times 2, 2. Great. Now we can combine the fractions. So the common denominator we can just write once, and we have 5 plus 2 on top, on the numerator. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer is 7 over 10. Great. Now question number 2. 3/4 minus 1/3. The LCM between 4 and 3 is 12. Great. So what shall we do here? Well, I want a 12 down at the bottom, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Over here, I also want a 12 in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply 3 by 4, and the top of the fraction, the numerator, by 4 as well. 1 times 4, 4. 3 times 4, 12. 9 minus 4. Well, actually, let me take one more step to do this. Again, we're just going to have the 12 down at the bottom. Then we have 9 minus 4. We combine the fractions into 1. Then we go 9 minus 4, 5 over 12. That's it.